In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom labels in Microsoft Word. This is a handy skill for organizing your workspace, sending out mailings, or even just adding a personal touch to things around the house. Let's dive right into the process. First, we need to open our Microsoft Word file. If you haven't done this yet, now's the time to locate your Word application and open up the file where you intend to create your labels. Once you're in there, look up at the toolbar at the top of your screen. Navigate your way over to the Mailings tab. Now you might notice quite a few options up there, but no worries. We're going to focus entirely on what's necessary for this task. After clicking on the Mailings tab, your attention should be directed towards the Labels button, located within the Create section of this toolbar. Give that a click and you'll see a new window emerge. This window will help guide us through the label creation process. Now, in this new window, you should notice an Options button. Go ahead and click it. A second window should now pop up titled Label Options. This is where we can really start to customize what our labels will look like. You might see a list of predefined labels, but don't worry if none of those fit your needs. That's exactly what customizing is for. With the Label Options window still open, let's locate the New Label button within. Once you click here, you're entering the realm of customization. At this point, you can enter the exact measurements for your labels. Whether you're printing on Avery sheets or another brand, you have control to make each label fit perfectly. Adjust dimensions to your liking, ensuring everything from the width to the height matches your specific requirements. After you've entered the measurements and are satisfied with your customization, it's pretty much smooth sailing from here. Simply confirm your settings and voila, you're all set. Your customized labels should now be ready to print. There you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to creating custom labels right from Microsoft Word. This process opens up endless possibilities for personalization and efficient organization. Whether for business or personal projects, you'll find that having beautifully tailored labels makes a world of difference. Don't hesitate to revisit these steps anytime you need to whip up a fresh batch of labels. Getting the hang of these features will undoubtedly boost your productivity and add a touch of professionalism to your tasks. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy labeling.